Hey creator, it's your team Novel, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro. Today you'll learn how to add your first product. Our goal is to make sure you understand your product admin so that you can categorize your products, set up variants, publish them to different channels, and more. Alright, let's get into it. To get started, go to Products and click Add Product. We'll create the suggested product and give it the title Brand T-shirt. Let's also add a description using the help of AI and click the Shopify Magic button. In the features and keywords, include branded, t-shirt, logo, organic, and for the tone, let's choose playful and click generate. Review the text, and if it sounds good, keep it. Now let's add some media. Did you know you can add video and photos? And you can do so by uploading new or selecting existing. Selecting existing will allow us to choose from media we've previously uploaded, but since this is our first product, no files exist yet. So let's add some t-shirt photos and the colors we offer using the Add Media button. You can also add photos from a URL, which is a great way to include commercial-free photos from sites like Unsplash. Once the files are uploaded, click Done. Notice how the category has been pre-selected for us? Shopify uses AI and analyzes our product info to determine the best category. However, there are hundreds of categories to choose from, so you're bound to find the right one if the pre-selected one isn't the right fit. We'll keep t-shirts and clothing tops because it makes sense. Next to categories, you'll also see 9 metafields. Let's go ahead and click it to drill down a bit more. Like categories, Shopify AI adds properties called metafields based on the information it can extrapolate, and you can remove any property that doesn't fit. Let's update the colors to reflect the colors of the t-shirts and replace the blue with the color navy. We'll also remove the color purple and create a new color, ultraviolet. Using the color picker, select the color that is closest to the ultraviolet t-shirt, or upload an image swatch. For this, we'll use the color picker, then choose the default color, and click Save. Now let's add some sizes and use the suggested sizes small through 2XL. Okay, our product's looking good. Let's assign the images we uploaded to the right color variants. Okay, we're almost finished. Now let's update the prices. You can add prices that reflect across all variants or choose to increase the price based on size or color, but we'll use the same price for all of our variants. You can individually update the quantities or edit them all at once. Let's bulk edit them. Check all, click the ellipses, and select Edit Quantities. For this, we ordered 10 of each in every color. Enter 10 and click Done. You now have 200 t-shirts available for purchase shipping from your shop location. By default, your shop location is the address you use to register your store. However, you can manage multiple locations in your shipping settings and choose what warehouse your t-shirts ship from. We won't get into this now, but check the links in the description. Okay, let's dive into some of the other features before we save and publish our product. You can choose to charge tax on an item, which will automatically be added when your customers check out. Adding a price is a great way to see how much you'll make. So if it retails for $32 and costs $14 to make, you'll be able to see your profit and margin. You'll likely want to track quantity. However, whether or not you continue selling when out of stock will depend. This option is useful for high demand products, in other words, items that sell quickly. It'll allow you to manage your purchase orders to reflect real-time purchases with the potential of mitigating on inventory loss. By default, SEO is generated from your product title and content. However, you can edit the SEO and change the title, description, and handle. All products are located within the products directory, and while you can change the handle of the product, you can't change the directory. In terms of SEO, the guesswork has been removed for you. Status lets you save a product as a draft or make it active. Drafts are great when you want to work on your product but aren't ready to publish it, such as for a flash sale or event. The alternative is to make a product active and choose when it'll go live so you don't forget to publish it later. You can also decide what sales channels a product is available for purchase. By default, you have the option of your online store, your website, shop, a marketplace app for Shopify brands, and point of sale. Since point of sale isn't set up for you, you won't be able to select this option. But if you intend to sell at markets and fairs, make sure you head over to the sales channel and select point of sale to finish the setup. Markets allow you to control what countries and regions your products are available. Right now, the store is only set up to sell in the US, but you can update this along with changing the prices to reflect your global audience. More on that another time. While categories are the predecessor to types, you may still find it useful if you want to create your own unique categorization relevant to your product inventory. Choose a vendor, add the product to an existing collection, include tags to add a product to an automatic collection you've created, and if your current theme offers multiple layouts for your product page, they'll be shown in the templates. Now that we covered the admin side, let's go ahead and preview your t-shirt landing page. Here's what your product looks like on your website. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be novel.